Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokho. Abantu abaningi kudala bebuza bathi ukuphi uShinga no-Ethan Cheslet bafuna ukubabona nabo bedlala abadlali banikwa ama-opportunities. Coach i-Kaizer Chiefs seyicommentile ngalama players lawa ayi-2 because ama-fans amaningi abuza ngabo. Ithi uShinga no-Ethan bobawu-2 bakhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayatraina. Uthi bona ezama-coach-ke yibo-ke abamele isikhathi esi-right sokuthi baba-introduce laphana ethimini. Uthi okwamanje nje they have to keep working hard or working kahle ne-good attitude overall laphana e-training nama-good performances. Uthi balindele noma balinde isikhathi esi-best or esi-good ukuthi baba-introduce. Okay, le ndaba leya Cheslet noShinga has left many fans frustrated ukuthi basayine ama-player. There was a big buzz about ama-players meyojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke asikakababoni the season at all, asikakababoni nasebhentshini the worst part. Siyazi ukuthi bake baba nama-struggles laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-flu or ama-injuries of some sort, but-ke they've been 100% ready for some time manje, but they're not even making the match day squad. I think into e-frustrate ama-fans kakhulu ukuthi bakhona abantu abangaperformi kahle to the best of their abilities. Bafila ngathi nabo Shinga nabo Cheslet kumele nabo bakwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities afair kufana namanye ama-teammates wabo angaperformi kahle kakhulu. So they feel like ngathi kuya-choose-wa ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kiwa maybe ngokufavor ukuthi abo-coach ba-favor obani overall, ababanike phela nabanye ama-opportunities. But-ke so ichaza maybe sibheke bafethu ukuthi overall ichazani overall ukuthi bangadlali labadlali laba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But i-coach beyikhuluma bafethu uKhalil Ben Yusuf uye beyikhuluma laphana, ekhuluma ne-media izolo after i-Kaizer Chiefs idrawile noma idrowe 1-1 laphana. Disappointing results against iMarumo Gallants after bathole ne-penalty uGustin Sireno Walgeja. So maybe these two players oShinga nabo Cheslet mabanikwa i-chance ukuthi badlale, they would show more hunger compare to amanye ama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean obviously yeah, kunzima kakhulu ukuhlala ebhentshini bafethu. I think Kaizer Chiefs this season seyidlala ama-match awungaki, idlala ama-match mangibala ne-CAF plus close to 10 games manje bawadlalile, but lama-players lawa sikakawaboni at all, kuthiwa balinde ama-moments wabo. uCheslet sikhumbuleke bafethu iprofile yakhe inhle kakhulu because bamsayine laphana e-UK noma ngithi e-England. South African born lena, but-ke wamuvela e-England as a 4-year-old, but-ke bekuthi nje mekhuluma kuma-interviews athi iphupho lakhe ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, ayikho i-team afuna ukuyi-representa ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs lana e-South Africa. Lucky enough-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo-ke yamthinta, bakwazi ukwenza idili ibe i-success. Khona ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje but akakadlali at all. So waziwa nge-creativity yakhe laphana ne-ability yoku-unlock ama-defense, naye uyakwazi the good pass of the ball masimbukele laphana, and uyi-midfielder washaya amagoli, akadlali bafethu ama-long range, akasabi ukushaya kude, uyalazi ngempela ipali umfowethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Represents something maybe that has been lacking for years laphana, i-consistency in terms of like ukulinka kwa-midfielder ne-attack overall. Maybe angaba i-difference maker given an opportunity, but amanye ama-question ukuthi maybe i-physique akekho ready for i-physique yaku-PSL, ne-intensity level yakhona asazi ukuthi why ama-coach angamdlalisi, because ejimini is forever present. Siyambona laphana ejimini bafowethu, ngazi ngimbone kaningi laphana ejimini, uhlezi ekhona umfana but akakatholi opportunity yokudlala laphana ku-midfield. Why bamdelaya bafowethu? Njengoba bengishilo maybe i-pace yaku-PSL, i-physique, maybe technical adjustment laphana from ama-coaches ukuthi asa-decide ukuthi hayi maybe asamele isikhathi esi-best sokum-unleasha. But siphi isikhathi esi-best bafethu, because ama-performances we-Kaizer Chiefs are-mixed manje. Baqale kahle isizini, yabona bathi basa-continue ngale gear leli lokuthi they're still undefeated, they still haven't conceded, ba-maintain i-team eyodwa, but manje bayazama uku-rotate bafake namanye ama-players bawa-introduce, but uShinga nolo abakadlali at all. And uShinga bafethu ugudi, uShinga ugudi bafethu. Defense yes ngiyamdoubt, but yabo le position beyidlala uMark izolo ukuthi abe offensive aye phambili, ugudu uShinga is a good dribbler, maningi kakhulu ama-qualities wakhe overall laphana uShinga. But siyasobona ukuthi bazoba unleasha nini. I think but ukuhlala ebhentshini, not even ebhentshini, kuma-grandstand bafowethu, confidence yakhe bayayibulala laphana uCheslett, especially i-pressure eza nokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyabona lapha kuma-social media, uyabona emagrawundini ukuthi ama-fans ayithanda kangakanani i-Kaizer Chiefs, naye uyafuna ukuba yiphathi yaleyo nto leyo. When I look at uSilva laphana ebhentshini, you could see that he's inching ukuthi angene egrawundini because he understands ukuthi kuminani ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ukore amagoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, I think nobo Shinga nabo bayafuna ukuyithola leyo opportunities overall. But-ke uShinga i-product ye-KZ, is it KZN Academy, and then waya ePortugal. Uversatile umfethu, uyi-defender. But-ke ngilalela enye interview yakhe uthi yena vele be-operator bekadlala phambili, but ePortugal bam-convert-a to i-left back, umuntu vele waphambili because of i-pace yakhe, angaba i-modern left back, izinto ezikanjalo, but uyakwazi ukudlala phambili. Uversatile, uyakwazi ukudlala i-midfielder, uyakwazi ukudlala i-left back, uyakwazi ukudlala i-wing back, uyakwazi ukuba offensive laphana phambili. So umuntu o-versatile and usasenaso isikhathi because early 20s, I mean, i-player ngempela le-exciting leli, especially mal-attacker. I remember badlala le team le Asante yaseGhana, ne-commentators ithi ayibo, lo muntu uyi-defender, aya phambili kanje, uyadribula abantu kanje. So unayo leyo attacking flair ne-skill ukuthi akasabi ukubalanda ngempela. Uletha i-pace ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Funny enough, unomzimba, bengimdawutha ngithi hayibo, u-Kaizer Chiefs yasayina umuntu onomzimba kangaka, but guess what, une-pace. I-pace yakhe unpredictable, ability yakhe ukuthi ahluphe laphana ama-oppositions angaba important kakhulu. However, i-physicality yakhe obviously ne-mental strength yakhe, akaze adlala ku-Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase-South Africa. Bamthatha laphana ku-academy yase-KZN straight to ePortugal. So udlala ePortugal, I think boma 7 years, yona 25 or so. Udlale 7 years laphana ePortugal, lapho leyo mnyaka 7-6 years ePortugal. So wazi ibhola lasePortugal kuphela umfowethu laphana, akakabi exposed to South African football, the high level of the South African football. Maybe uKaizer Chiefs bacabanga ukuthi akekho ready, instead of ukuthi bavele bamlahlele same time egrawundini, bamnika isikhathi sokuthi a-adapt. Maybe they're choosing a long term route than ukuthi short term gains laphana. Maybe kwabo coaches i-system yabo akaka-adapt ku-system yabo. But-ke I mean, this speaks volume about i-approach yabo coach be-Kaizer Chiefs overall, ukuthi they don't want, but at the same time bengifuna ukuthi they don't want to throw ama-new players straight to the deep end. But uma uqeda ukufika sekadlalile, ulona uMunyane esedlalile, uMako sedlalile, so uSilva sedlalile. So ama-players siyawabona, ama-player amasha amanye ukuthi already sedlalile lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So why not these two? Because nabo bayi-deserve opportunity. Siyazi ukuthi akusibo kuphela abangakadlali, but ama-fans they're making noise, even the-media seyizeyabuza o-coach direct ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela overall. Obviously ama-fans aba-frustrated laphana, afuna ukumbona uCheslett ukuthi okay, akadlulekele bambonile, and then noShinga ahlulekele naye bembonile, hayi ukuthi vele nje bangazi lutho ukuthi kwenzakalani behind the scenes. They want to see these stars trying laphana inside the field of play, trying to get results for Kaizer Chiefs and maybe failing, but as long as they're given opportunities to prove themselves inside the field of play, because abanye abadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, they're given those opportunities but abawasebenzisi lawo ma-opportunities. Possibly Shinga, Cheslett, maybe singababona, asazi kuzoya ngama-coach. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.